Hello world, this is Random Fix. In this video today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter on your 2019 and newer Sprinter. So this is the 907 VS30 and the only thing you're going to need is going to be a quarter. Stay tuned. And in this video today we're going to be changing out the cabin air filter on this 2019 907 VS30 Sprinter. So to go ahead and get this done, you most likely just need a quarter, and you want to go ahead and get access to the passenger side wheel well area right here. Go ahead and come in here and turn this so you get access to the tools. And with the two slots here at a 9 and 3 o'clock formation, go ahead and just remove this pad out of here, put it to the side. Now you want to come in here and grab all the tools out of here, and with the tools out you're going to be able to go ahead and access the cabin air filter, which I'll show you in a few seconds. So you're going to have to pull back on this mat a little bit and then pull this out. And when you're looking up at this, you're going to find two tabs right where my fingers are. You want to go ahead and push these two tabs together, and there's going to be another tab right over here and one in the back right here, and this is just going to go ahead and lower down. And with that out of the way, you're going to want to pull your cabin air filter out of here. So be careful with that. There is some sort of connection there, and we want to pull this all the way out. You might have a lot of leaves and debris in here, so you don't want to get that in your fuse box. And this is the cabin air filter right here, guys. You want to pay special attention to the top two little holes up top, and this is the exact way we're going to go ahead and put it back in. So the airflow was basically pointing towards the driver's side. See a little arrow right there, almost the middle of the screen. So I got my replacement filter here, and I'll have a link to this in the video description down below. And I want to make sure that I point the two little dots or notches up top and the arrow pointing towards the driver's side. And now I'm going to go ahead and come in here and basically line this back up in there. And once you get it started, you kind of got to come in at an angle like this. It's pretty easy. Just going to go ahead and push it up. It just pops into place like that. I'm going to go and grab my cover here now and lock everything back into place. So I got the two tabs in the back lined up over here. I got my two forward tabs almost center. And you want to make sure you get that backward tab lined up as well. And push, push, and push. It snaps in together. Go ahead and snap this back in place. Turn these two. Now you're all done. If you guys want to check out the oil change, the reset, the air filter, please don't hesitate to check out the links down below. And if you guys also are thinking about converting your van, I'm going to have a link to that whole playlist down below as well. Make it a great day. Thanks again.